কমন প্যারাগ্রাফ 3 বিজ্ঞান বিষয়ক প্যারাগ্রাফগুলো হচ্ছে কম্পিউটার, টেলিভিশন, রেডিও, ইন্টারনেট, ডিশ অ্যান্টেনা, ইলেকট্রিসিটি, এনি সায়েন্স। We live in an age of science. Modern age is an of science. Modern civilization is the reflection of it. It is a blessing of mankind. We can see the wonders of science around us. Science has made our life easy and comfortable, such as telephone, computer, internet, radio, electricity, dish antenna, etc. They are very useful to our life. We cannot think of our modern life without it. It has changed our life, society and culture. It has both good sides and bad sides. If it is used to the welfare of mankind, it will be welcomed. But if it is used to the destruction of human environment, it is not welcomed by the people. The invention of an NP has changed the face of the world. It has great impact on us. It works like magic lamp of Aladdin. Now NP has become an essential part in our everyday life. We can not think a single moment without it. We can do anything positive or negative by the help of it. But we should use it for the welfare of the whole mankind. হয় নাই তো ৳800 কম্পিউটার কোর্স।